Payday is not a party, it's a maintenance check. Financial exhaustion is not a budget strategy. You need a tool, not a lecture, to manage your money. The 50/30/20th rule is a broken gauge for blue-collar professionals. Reality shows needs often exceed 90% of income, leaving 0% for wants and resulting in negative savings. A white-collar map won't work for a blue-collar route. The zero-based fix means income minus expenses equals zero, unassigned. Your income is the fuel tank. Every dollar gets a job assignment to prevent wandering off and being lost. This means zero waste. The hierarchy of survival requires securing the four walls first: food, utilities, shelter, and transportation. These essential expenses must be funded before any debt or entertainment. Step 1 is securing the fuel, or income. Budget based on your worst month or the lowest month rule for reliable base fuel. Anything extra is surplus, not base fuel. Step 2 is mapping the pistons, or expenses. Fixed expenses are like steel. They do not change and should be entered first. Variable expenses are fluid and require constant monitoring, as they can leak. Step 3 is the zero check, or balancing the engine. The goal is zero unassigned. If you have negative remaining funds, you are leaking and must prune wants. If positive, assign it to debt or savings. Step 4 is the dashboard, comparing planned versus actual spending. A red alert means a leak. Stop spending in that category or move funds from another piston to cover it. To handle turbulence, use the surplus strategy. When you have a good week, don't increase your fund money. Capture the surplus for your emergency fund or debt snowball. This builds shock absorbers for when hours are cut. Sinking funds act as shock absorbers for inevitable, non-monthly expenses like new tires or car registration. Calculate the total cost, divide by 12 months, and save that amount monthly. These are not surprises, they are inevitabilities. The routine is the Sunday inspection. It only takes 5 minutes. Open your banking app, input actual spending, check the variance column, and adjust if necessary. Active management beats passive anxiety. Troubleshooting helps avoid stripping the gears. For small errors, keep a miscellaneous buffer. For partner fights over spending, let the spreadsheet be the neutral referee. Use the envelope system for cash transactions. In this case study, Joe, a warehouse lead, secures his housing and essential needs first. After covering the four walls, debt, and sinking funds, he has $300 for fun or a buffer. He's no longer broke by Friday. The pre-trip checklist to start your shift includes downloading the template and gathering your last 2 pay stubs to find your lowest month. Fill the 4 walls, zero out the remainder, and set an alarm for your 5-minute Sunday inspection. Take the wheel, download the template to stop guessing, and start winning. The engine is yours to run. Keep it clean.